How to increase download speed in Torrent on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first thing first, open up your Torrent application on your device. And after opening up your Torrent application, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen. Here you can see the option of settings. So just tap on settings. And under the bandwidth section, you can see the option of download limit. So just select on download limit. Make sure it is in the maximum firm and maximum limit and then set it. Now next, select on upload limit and you'll do exactly opposite of it. So you're going to minimize it to the lowest limit, because when the upload limit is limited and it's to the minimum, the download will be faster. Next, we're going to look for incoming port on the other section. So here it is 0. We're going to make it to 6882 and tap on OK. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.